Hello guys, did you ever wanted to receive an email whenever a lead is generated or a sale is generated on your website or landing page? Then marketing automation can help you out with this. Marketing automation can automate many processes which we do manually, like generating leads and sending to the clients, or whenever a sale is gets generated, sending a thank you email. So all these, from payment gateway to email service provider, you can connect them through something called automation tools. So there are many automation tools for this purpose. In this video, I'm gonna share them. Firstly, why we need to automate. So when you automate the processes, it will help you save time, and there is a less chance of manual error, and when you will reduce your manual work as well. So you can also receive updates whenever some is sale generated or lead generated. You can receive updates 24 by 7. You don't need to go and see back end to know whether a sale happened or lead is generated today or not. So you can just connect your web apps and receive updates on the same. So there might be many tools for this purpose, but I have picked only five in this video to show you. So first is Zapier. Zapier is the whenever it comes to marketing automation connecting web apps, Zapier is the first one which would get into thought. So Zapier also has many ready-made templates and many resources to learn about that, and there are many apps that you can connect. So you can also see what apps that would work with Zapier, see Google Sheets, Gmail. So whenever a lead gets generated, you can add all the data into Google Sheet. So without you need to download it or upload it somewhere, you can just have that online available. So anyone from your team can directly see the data of leads which you have generated from your campaigns. So this is just an example. Even for sales, you can just automate from your WooCommerce or Shopify orders into Google Sheets, so that you can have it at the end of the month. You can just review them and how many leads are generated and all. So Zapier is one such tool that allows you to connect various apps. So there are thousands of apps. You can see as there are many 3,000 plus apps that can be integrated through Zapier. So you can see MailChimp, Twitter, Trello, Gmail. All you have to do is just go to Zapier website and find them. They also provide a popular ways to use Zapier as well. So you can just explore how to connect them. So send a new lead, send a personal message, or notify my team about the leads, because always someone from the team will follow up with the lead. So you can just notify them that a lead is generated so that they will be aware. And also this entire thing works in 24 by 7. So you don't need to have a manual person to check whether the lead is generated or sale is generated or not. You can automate this process and notify the respective department person. And after Zapier and other choices, there are many other tools that allow you to do so. And the next thing is Integrately. This is also a good tool, and it also has 500 plus apps. Even though Zapier has more than thousands, but yes, there are many apps in Integrately as well. So depending on your purpose, you can choose the right tool, because every tool charges you based on specific factors. So you can choose the right one depending on your choice. And here it is called Integromat. This is another similar tool to Zapier, and it also has a free plan. And fourth one is Automate IO. This also allows you to connect your Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets and all. So you can always check the integration apps and see if your integrations are available or not. That's it. And the fifth one is Pabbly Connect. It also serves the same purpose to automate your workflows. So there are in this video I'm sharing only five. Maybe there are more than this, but these five are have many integrations and all. So just have a look, guys, and find out which suits you better. And every tool almost here I described has a free plan, so you can test them out and use them accordingly. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.